Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Music Haptics in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder. Now here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on General. Click on Software Update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 2.6.0. After the updating, go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down. You will see second option is accessibility. So click on accessibility. So swipe down. You will see Music Haptics is here. So if you want to use Music Haptics, so click on Music Haptics. Now here you will see Music Haptics button is turn off. So you will use Music Haptics, so turn on this button. So after the turning on this button, so you will show the features. Go back to home screen. Now here you will see music option is here, so you will play anyone music from here. So go back. So that's how you can use Music Haptics in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.